How to add stops during Uber ride. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can add stops during an Uber ride, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to add stops during an Uber ride, maybe that you are in the middle of a ride, now you can definitely do it if you are inside a specific, or maybe before you book a ride, right? So if I just go ahead and then basically select a ride over here, I'll be able to go ahead and enter my ride as well as my destination. But before I do that, I can choose to add a new stop. As you could be able to find it here, I can just go ahead and then just tap on these options here. I can just select the pickup time, I can enter a price. If you're doing a ride, you simply have to consult with the rider whether they are willing to stop or not, otherwise you will not be able to do so. It's all up to the rider once you go ahead and then do it accordingly. This way you'll be able to add stops during Uber ride. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.